Hi team, welcome to video number 2, Aman and Damu show. And to start with, what we want to cover in this particular video is how to send code using Salesforce, where to view the code. That's about it. So let us get started. Let me share my screen with you. So as you can see, I'm on a customer dashboard called Vidya Vinay. And with respect to this particular customer, we had covered in the previous video that I can go to Launch IQ, I can publish the code. So as you would see, I can publish the code, right? Using going to IQ, and I click publish, the code will get published. Next thing is, where will it be available on Salesforce dashboard? So it'll be available in something called code details on Salesforce dashboard. You click on code details, you'll be able to see the code. You'll get something like this. Just press OK, and you'll be able to see all the codes. You click on it and you'll be able to download the code as well. So this is with respect to how to get the code, or after the code has been published in IQ. The second thing is that I'm sorry for the phone call, but the second thing is that how to send an email to the customer after the code is published. So on the customer dashboard, there is something called this down arrow next to the meeting request. You click on that particular down arrow, you go to send email, and therein you can choose the right template that you want to send to the customer. So description basically tells you what does the template contain. We have to rectify some of these things, and it'll be done by end of today. But for now, to send an initial email to the customer, you have to select code confirmation email. You click on that, and you'll get to see this particular template. On this particular template, the code will be automatically be available here. You don't have to attach the code by yourself. So if you can read the content, dear Vidya, based upon your discussion with your designer, we have developed an initial estimate and all of that, and this is available here in on this particular link, right? The next thing is that you can CC anyone that you want on this particular email, and you can also BCC anyone. You can go and attach some of the other files that you want to attach through your computer. So you just click on choose MB file, and you'll be able to choose the file. So next thing is that once all of these things are done, you can go click on send, and the code would be sent. So this is one part of it. The second part of it is there is something called code URL link, which you will see on the dashboard. This code URL link is what is here, your view initial code estimate link. So whenever you publish the code, the latest code is nothing but your code URL link. So if you would click on your code URL link, it will direct you to the latest code that you have published. Right now it will not do it, since there is some kind of data migration that the team is working on. But in some time, in couple of hours, it will direct you to the latest code that you have published, the code URL link, which would be mentioned on the email as well. And code details is going to take you to all the codes that you have published. You can select any code, download it. Even in the emails, if you want to send a custom email to the customer, that provision is also there, which was not there in our earlier in the earlier Phoenix dashboard, to say. So you can write the subject, and you can type the email, and you can attach the code and send it to the customer in case there's a requirement like this. But more or less, please use these templates for sending out emails to your customers. We have tried to cover anything. If there is something else you want templates to include, let the team know, and we'll be able to create it, right? So that's about it for this video. If you have any queries, post it on WhatsApp group. We look forward to all of you using Salesforce and making sure that it does good for both of us. Thank you so much.